Okay, so previously it cut off. I'm not sure why, but we just gonna keep the show rolling. The hair is laid. It's giving layers. It's giving Beyonce. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Okay. And I wish I would remember to get a neck rest because I have bad neck and back problems. But yeah, dang. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna just show y'all what I got for tomorrow. So, well, I'm gonna use this tonight. I gotta shave because my favorite razors are now $7 and I wasn't paying it today. I'm sorry. Then I got me some facial moisturizer. I heard really good things about this for sensitive skin, so we're gonna try it. This Pond's, it's not gonna focus, y'all. Then I got me some honey pot wipes. I heard really good things about this. It's black owned and it's women owned and it's for all around your body. Cause I have a layover, so I'm gonna feel icky always. But I will talk to y'all tomorrow. I have a lot to do. I gotta finish packing my makeup. I gotta finish cleaning my room. I gotta take care of my dog. I got a lot of stuff I gotta do. So I'm gonna see y'all in the morning at like 2 o'clock. Thank you. So y'all, it's currently 1:53 in the morning. I'm about to I'm doing my YouTube. Okay, that's a better fit. But I have the little slides with the socks just in case I get cold. I already have my little carry-on bag. It has my little essentials. And I'm about to head out. I don't know if I want to put my lashes on, but I did bring my glasses, so I'm probably gonna just wear my glasses. And yeah, see you guys at the airport. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I'm waiting for, what is it, security? I'm waiting for security. Thumbnail. I got my disguise on. I got my glasses with my mask on so nobody will ever know they seen me. Okay, so guys, I went through security and I got my bags and everything claimed. And I'm currently at Starbucks waiting for them to open. It is currently 3:51 and my flight departs at 5:04. They said that Starbucks opens at either 4 or 4:30. So I'm gonna just show y'all like the little airport. This is Memphis, my hometown. Y'all can't even see, it's not even focused for real. I don't even feel like focusing y'all. But yeah, it's okay. It's not the fanciest. And look, it is just ghetto. I feel like I got a little kid. Stand right here. So I'm gonna give me something to eat and something to drink because I don't really want none of the other stuff that they got offered. And I have a layover. I'm going to layover in Charlotte for about like 35 minutes, literally. And then I'll go from Charlotte to Durham, which is North Carolina. And then I'm gonna surprise my dad because today's my dad's birthday. So I'll see you guys when I'm boarding the plane. Okay, so I just landed in North Carolina. I called my stepmom because, like I told y'all, today is my dad's birthday. So we're surprising him. He doesn't know that I'm here. And the thing is, y'all, I had them slides on right. They were cute or whatever. But the back of my heel is literally like peeled off like a potato. My foot hurts so bad. I'm limping, y'all. But look at the airport. Guys, look who I'm with. Hello. My stepmom. So, we're about to go to Walmart because I have to get some sandals and flip-flops. Yeah, I need some flip-flops. Because I told y'all my shoes peeled my feet. Yeah. And then look at the little, we got him some balloons. He don't even see his reaction. He probably gonna cry. I ain't even gonna lie, he'll cry, baby. Yeah, he might cry. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I surprise him, because I'm ready to see if he gonna cry. I bet him money that he was gonna cry, so I hope he do.
I wanna dance tonight. It's in the air tonight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't wanna say no.
Oh my God.
Don't make me go.
Wow.
I just wanna hold you.
Oh, I love it. You are too sweet, man. Thank you. Oh, man. I know I was drinking before, man. I don't know. Just popped out of nowhere. Man, it's crazy. No wonder you didn't tell me happy birthday today.
I had to play it off.
Oh man, I love y'all so much. Thank you, baby.
What's up, y'all? I'm camping. I'm in my tent right now. This is a part of my dad's birthday. We're camping on the beach, so it's super duper windy. Got my little light here. Got my, y'all can't even see, bruh. My phone charger right here. It's charging. Got some cookies. Got my favorite blanket in the entire world, and you know I'm a black girl, so I didn't forget to tie the lace down and bring the bonnet, okay? Got my neck rest so I don't get a neck hurting. And yeah, lights out, people. What's up, y'all? It's the first morning of it's our second day here, and as you can see, I did my little camp girl braids. And I just brushed my teeth, washed my face, and we just ate some bagels, eggs, and bacon. Dad, you gotta get in the video. Yeah, my stepmama right there. Erica, you gotta come in the video. Gotta say hey to the video. Recording for memories. So we're about to go see lighthouses. I'm not recording everything. I'm just trying to record little things. Like how last night I showed y'all like my first night in the tent. Update. Y'all, I slept good. Like I slept so good. I had my neck rest so my neck wouldn't hurt, and my neck didn't hurt at all. So I'm trying to save some of my camera battery. Let's show y'all lighthouses. Look how pretty. The sun went down too fast because it's cold, y'all.
Lies in yours?
Are you cold, Erica? Easy. Oh. Dang, you cold? Shut up.
Oh my god.
Put my hood on.
Finna go see the yacht.
We're gonna go see yachts. Y'all, we in the coastal, what's it? The coastal guard area. See, they lucky. They get to see dolphins and stuff.
I tell you, babe, I really want a boat. I promise you.
Look at these yachts, y'all. I'm gonna be on one this summer. I'm gonna get on the yacht this summer, y'all.
You know, that's the memory that came up. That little boat ride that we went to.
That we went to in that captain? Yeah. I remember that was fun.
That was actually fun.
Yeah.
They had some good
Fishing food.
music.
Sinbad, Kill Devil Hughes, and see. Dang, that's a long city. it say it's 70 degrees outside. It's not 70 degrees outside. I feel like it's 50. Okay, this my ring. It's a little third eye ring. Can y'all hear me? I know the wind blowing. It's probably gonna sound crackly on the video. I just want to show y'all the sunset. Look at it.
See the sun illuminated.
Yeah, right there.
Sing.
Come on, we finna go over here. We should have went on this side and we could have started better. If we hurry up and get in the car, we probably could.
Man, that sun's gonna be gone.
Alright, let's walk to the area.
You gotta walk down here, babe.
We gotta run. We gotta run. We gotta run.